Hey Saber fans, Darth Alice here again, and I just wanted to show you off another SH Loop V2. This is one that I just finished up for a client of mine and done a few extra things on it. And as you can see, I do a little bit different things than the other guys when it comes to the aging. I do a 4-step process, which includes galling the metal, which is pitting the metal itself. Another aging step before I even get into trying to go with an accurate type age setup with the paint, you know, towards where the paint's chipped off. So try to do as close as I can to the stencils, and also with the various dents and dings to attempt screen accuracy. Of course, the gaffer's tape up here. And card from Slothfurnace. I added a few extra little touches in that. I aged it, darkened it, added a few solder points to it to make it stand out a little bit. RPK clamp lever, so that way we've got the accuracy there, and that's all steel, which it's a nice piece. And then for the reveal, of course, I used one of Darth Ryo's master chassis on this, and I painted it as much as I could to look like steel, as you can see. A few brass accents in there, and then aging on the brass and the steel for the chassis itself. And it took me a while to find a crystal that exactly fit tight and snug on the inside there that I wanted, but I finally found the right one. So here, let's hear this thing boot up. And as you can see, I used an optional part on the chassis itself, and that is a little cover for the Igniter 3 by Naigon Electronics. Of course, that's the board that's in there, but I used one of Ryo's optional accent LED arrays for the top that sits on top of the board, so I added 5 different accent LEDs there, and then a little red blinky on the side. It amazes me how much volume changes when you go put the back end on this for your resonance. There we go. Nice operating switch. And of course, with Igniter 3, I've got 7 different boot sounds on this thing. Actually, 7 different fire-up sounds for the Saber. I've got a couple different boots, and I think there's like 13 fonts on this thing.
I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Clash on, clash, of course. Masters. Lock up. Different hum. Just going to buzz through a couple fonts here. Always one of my favorites. You didn't have that blade in there very tight, did I? Yeah, normally these are supposed to be glued, but I put this one in there loosely just to show it on film. Music tracks. The Igniter 3 does sound very good when it comes to the audio on it. I just dig the blankies in these. I wish I could see them without the back end on them. So there we go, folks. Once again, thank you for watching, and may the force be with you always.